smell is incredible. I wish you could smell that. It actually fits. I love that there's no huge logos. They call it underrated luxury. You can just open through here, so you can have to like kind of rip it open, and this is great. Love the zippers. Oh my god, they are so easy to use. Real leather is usually heavier, so it's nice that this backpack is pretty light. Honestly, I do like that this is a unisex product. It's beautiful and like it's good enough for a man, it's good enough for a woman. Hey everyone, another luggage video. As you can see behind me, we have 3 suitcases, which I reviewed on this channel. I'm gonna link it down below. But today we have Satchel Page unboxing. They were kind enough to send me this amazing backpack, which I'm so excited about because Satchel Page is actually my husband's favorite brand. He's been buying their stuff for some time now, and he's been eyeing their bags and backpacks for a long time. They're a little pricey, but very high quality. So I was just so excited when they messaged me, and I was like, yes, of course, I want to test this out and maybe gift my husband for his birthday as a carry-on. Beautiful personal item, because I checked dimensions and you can use this backpack as a personal item on a plane. So not only you can use it for work, for everyday use, but you can also use it as a personal item bag. And what is nice is that it also has pass-through for the luggage handle. A lot of bags have very tight pass-through, and it's such a pain to put it on your carry-on. As you can see here, this is very difficult to put on. So this is just a lot easier with this backpack. I'll show you in a sec. But ooh, wow, the smell is incredible. I wish you could smell that. Oh wow, beautiful. And this is, as you can see, comes with a dust bag. That's pretty nice, you know, protects from all the dust. And wow, so gorgeous. It's so well protected too. I'm like, how to take this off? Okay, wow. So this is real leather, as you can see, beautiful shade too. It's in color mahogany, real leather, and it's a beautiful color. I just like, it looks so good. Oh my god. Oh, here it is. So as you can see, this is for the pass-through for your luggage. I love the logo. I love that you can't tell, like there's no huge logo, like first time you see it. Like they call it underrated luxury because it's not a cheap bag, but it doesn't scream expensive. That's something I've been telling you guys in my video. I love that. And this is one of these bags. It has 2 pockets here, as you can see, and obviously this one pocket here, which comes with 2 pockets. You can fit some small stuff. You can fit pens here and a little, ooh, okay, this is very interesting. I love that it's like you can fully open this up, so it's like easy access. Very nice. I'm getting rid of, basically unboxing everything here. Oh, I love the zippers. And again, very easy access. You can fully open this. So, oh, here is the, I believe, what is, there's a strap. So this must be for the pass-through, yes. So this is for the pass-through. Keep fresh, protect in your, oh, interesting. I guess I'm gonna keep this because this is like a little refresher for like, I guess I'm gonna put it in the pocket. I love that it just fully opens. It's just so convenient. I hate all the backpacks that are like, oh, you can just open through here, so you can have to like kind of rip it open. And this is great. So it has 2 pockets on this side and 1 zippered pocket on this side. It's pretty deep. It's until, yeah, it's up to here, so definitely can fit a phone, passport, although I probably would put passport maybe here, easy access, you know, for traveling. Love this suede interior. Wow, love the zippers. Oh my god, they are so easy to use. Okay, so this pocket though is, as you can see, it doesn't fully open, and this is for your laptop, and you can fit an iPad too. Yeah, and so you get like, basically, harder to show you, but there's a big, very like pretty deep, and yeah, pocket, big one here. There's another underneath here, which definitely can fit an iPad, and there's 1 smaller pocket, which is for like something smaller, maybe like some cables would fit here, and there's obviously 1 regular pocket. So pretty nice organization, and obviously comes with like a little handle, strap, and pass through. You have to attach, but oh, what is this? Oh, this is like a keychain. Cool. Like, or whatever you can attach to it, but I'm so in love with this color. It's so beautiful, like compared to the fake leather, which, like, dang. Yeah, this looks so cool, but God, it's so beautiful. I love the smell. I can't stop smelling it. So this is a vegetable tan leather in Tuscany, an artisan product of centuries-old tradition. Yeah, so this is Italian leather. It's actually tanned in Italy, which is nice. Like, it's, you know, it's not factory made. It's basically, you know, handcrafted, which that's why it's, you know, kind of pricey, because like you pay for that labor. You know, it's not just machine made in some manufacturer in China, you know, it's actually made proudly by a person. So it's nice that you're supporting that. And beautiful logo here. It's so small. I love that, you know, it doesn't, there's no huge logos like I mentioned before. I love that there's just one logo here, and it's also very light compared to, like, real leather is usually heavier. So it's nice that this backpack is, you know, pretty light compared to some other leather goods. The weight matters on the plane especially, so something to consider. And yeah, let me obviously fill this up to show you how much you can fit, but this is pretty neat, and it will fit in under seat in front of you. So again, that was something I was considering looking at all the bags on Satchel Page website. I was like, okay, this is not gonna work as a personal item because it's slightly too big. Like weekender's bag, I was like, oh, so beautiful, but unfortunately I have a very small apartment. I can't have multiple bags. I have to be really strategic about all the items that I pick. If I'm gonna buy a bag, you can't make this smaller to store it. This is it. It has to fit on the plane. I have to be able to use it not just as a work tote, but I want to be able to use it on a plane. So because of the size and the weight, I can use it for multiple different purposes, multiple different occasions. So I love that. I'm pretty sure my husband will steal it. So whatever, but honestly I do like that this is a unisex product. It's beautiful, and like it's good enough for a man, it's good enough for a woman, because like it's overly manly, you know. I can use this, so it's very nice. But hey, let's pack this up, let's see what we can fit inside. But God, just look at this. This is the newest M1 13-inch iPad Pro, so let's see if it fits. Ooh, okay. Is it gonna fit to a smaller pocket? Oh, burly, but it actually fits. Oh my God, guys. It fits. Yep. Let's see if my MacBook will fit. It will all fit? It actually, so iPad Pro 13-inch and MacBook Pro 16-inch both fit. Of course it makes it heavy, but it actually fits. That's impressive. Well, it's heavy. It's definitely heavy. But yeah, this is a great pocket to store electronics. Pretty impressive, not gonna lie. I can't believe it fits.